yung ako.
Ang first impression or feeling nyo sa college life?
Hi, I am Chelsea, a freshman student taking Bachelor of Arts in Filipinolahiya po.
Mel po.
Mel.
Allison po.
Tara Alihaga. I am from ABLCS, Bachelor of Arts in Literary and Cultural Studies.
I'm Faye. I am currently a fourth year BS Interior Design student.
Francis Angelo Cabanero po, freshman year. Justin Pelias, freshman din po.
Paulines Guerra, and I'm first year freshman.
Miko Canada Mogado, freshman din po.
Ano yung first impression or feeling mo sa college life?
Nakakatakot po. And exciting, of course.
Nakakatakot.
Nakakatakot?
Ano po, parang medyo na-pressure po ako ngayon.
First impression and feeling, I think it's intimidating because there's a lot of stereotypes about college life that it's heavy, it's quite repressive, and you would lack social life if you're in college. That's typically what I feel.
Sa mga parang naririnig po namin, parang quality education naman dito. So, nakita po namin na yung mga facilities parang parang tawag doon, sanitized and
Totoo ba yan?
Okay.
pati yung CRs.
Oh, pati CR.
Yan.
First day pa lang kasi. Joke lang. Joke lang.
Ala, bakit?
Joke lang.
Ako naman po, excited po. Po kasi, ang course ko po is architecture po. So, yung building ko po is sa SEA po. Tapos, maganda naman po yung building.
I feel so excited because as you can see, talagang may freedom sa pananamit and all. Kasi ako marami akong piercing and mahilig ako sa mga daring clothes. Kaya yun, okay talaga siya sa akin.
How about you?
At first, cause papasok na po sa college life, may onting pressure but laban lang. And ganda rin po na open po sa outfits, piercing, and color hairs po.